Well, another massive healthcare deal to tell you about. Teva Pharmaceuticals has agreed to buy Allergan's generics unit for more than $40 billion in cash and stock. The deal will make Teva one of the top-ranked drug makers globally. Generic, branded, whatever. Shares of Allergan rose 6%. Teva up 16%. Meg Tirrell takes a look at what drove the tie-up and why there could be more in the works.
Drug deals are continuing at their record clip. Today's purchase by Teva of Allergan's generic medicines unit marks a rapid pivot by the Israeli drug maker, which had been pursuing an unsolicited bid for competitor Mylan. The deal puts Teva in the top 10 pharmaceutical companies worldwide and frees Allergan, a serial acquirer itself, to pursue more purchases. Allergan CEO Brent Saunders said consolidation among health insurers and pharmacies in part drove the reasoning for the sale.
You look at how dynamic this industry is, how quickly it's changing. We want to lead that change. I don't want to follow that change. And I think a lot of that will impact the generics business. I think what it does for the branded business, it says innovate. Because if you innovate, then you're going to get reimbursed.
Saunders has been referred to as the Chuck Norris of pharma M&A. In the last 2 years, he sold Bausch & Lomb to Valeant, Forest Labs to Actavis, purchased Allergan, and changed his company's name, all amounting to more than $100 billion of deal activity. Now investors wonder whether his next move is as buyer or target.
If you listen to his conference call, he said the word acquisition and transformational about half a dozen times in a period of half an hour, which basically telling everybody, look, I'm going elephant hunting.
What big targets could be next for Allergan? Bernstein analyst Ronnie Gal says AbbVie, Amgen, and Biogen may all be on the list. Each has a market valuation of more than $70 billion. Others think Allergan sells to a bigger company like Pfizer, which was unsuccessful last year in its more than $120 billion bid to buy British drug maker AstraZeneca. And where does this leave Mylan, no longer a target for Teva? Analysts say it only intensifies the pressure to buy rival Perrigo, a deal that so far Perrigo has rebuffed. Analysts say the consolidation frenzy is partially a result of rising healthcare costs. Insurers are banding together themselves, giving them more power to fight high drug prices, meaning that drug companies in turn must buy in order to get a bigger piece of the pie. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.